Welcome back to Auto Odyssey, where today we're diving deep into the 2025 Mahindra XUV700, a vehicle that's making waves with its bold exterior design and remarkable performance. The first thing you notice about the XUV700 is its imposing front, a design that combines strength with sophistication. The large grille, featuring a striking chrome surround, is flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that give the vehicle a commanding road presence. These headlights not only look great but are equipped with adaptive LED projectors, which adjust their intensity based on the car's speed and road conditions, making night driving safer and more efficient. The sculpted hood, with its pronounced creases, adds to the muscular appearance, signaling the power beneath. The XUV700 doesn't just look aggressive, it backs it up with performance. Its wide stance and bold wheel arches give the vehicle an athletic look, complemented by the sleek lines running along the sides. Moving to the side profile, the XUV700 boasts of 18-inch alloy wheels that are not only stylish but also enhance stability on various terrains. The sharp character lines that run from front to rear give the vehicle a sense of movement even when it's standing still, making the XUV700 look dynamic and agile. At the rear, the vehicle continues its bold design language, with sleek, futuristic LED tail lamps that extend across the width of the car, creating a seamless look. The rear bumper is muscular and well-defined, incorporating chrome elements that add a touch of elegance to the robust design. The integrated roof spoiler and dual-tone finish complete the sporty look, adding a touch of flair. The exterior dimensions of the XUV700 have also been carefully designed for practicality and style. The overall length and width make the car spacious and comfortable, while the elevated ground clearance ensures it's ready for both urban and off-road adventures. The choice of colors further adds to the appeal, with shades that accentuate the car's curves and lines, from bold metallic hues to more understated tones. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its aerodynamics. The carefully crafted design elements, such as the front bumper and side air vents, not only contribute to its aggressive looks but also improve fuel efficiency and reduce drag. To sum up, the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 is a masterpiece of design, combining style, performance, and practicality. Its bold and modern exterior sets it apart from the competition, making it a true head-turner on the road. Thanks for tuning into Auto Odyssey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews.